Alex.
Hello everyone, my name's Ben.
So today I'm going to be playing with Ben, as he is my brother, obviously, so claim the hive. There we go. Okay, so, we're going to be playing B-Storm. It's going to be our first ever video on playing B-Storm. So, as you all know, if you don't know what B-Storm is, then it's like you're in charge of your own hive of bees, and you can unlock new bees, new gear, new harvesting tools, new backpacks, and you basically go around harvesting pollen and filling up your backpack. And you can do some quests, like if you go over to here on the map looking thing, then you have this quest. Your bees will give you special tokens, as you can see here, where I did it. And today I'll be showing you some codes and hacks. So, the first, well, not hacks, but secret passages. So, the first one is, if you can see the shop over here, it would say in the tutorial where the shop is, or like, you can see there's like a window here, but how do you get in? Well, there's a secret passage behind the honey dispenser. Join the group to get in, and to get it, so like, honey, 1 hour per honey, and then this is, parkour. So you just have to do parkour. There's like a little shop over there, and then you can do this even more. And as you see, I did just use my parachute, but here is a royal jelly. Now royal jelly, and you're inside the shop. Now royal jellies, like they can transform your a bee into a different type bee. So I don't have any royal jellies now, I don't think. No, I do. So let's say this bee, like up here, like where my harvesting tool is, that's the stubborn bee. Now, if I use this royal jelly on the stubborn bee, yes, I'll press yes, and I got a rage bee. That's pretty good, right? I'm not sure. Ben's like the expert on everything, but...
So, I need to show you something, and make sure you don't do this.
But anyhow, so we're just going to have to do some quests. So, our first quest is go to the pumpkin patch. So, I need to get 315,000 from the pumpkin patch. I think I can do that, seeing as I only just have a good enough backpack for it. So I'll show you some other stuff. Such as codes, more different, like, secret passages, if I can remember them. And, more codes if I can remember them. But anyhow, we're just going to have to do this quest. And, so basically, if the first code that I know is... sorry, that's just Ben declining. I'm just going to decline that because he's my brother. He should have come in here. But anyway, so... so your bees can drop different tokens, such as a speed. That will boost your speed. As you can see in the top left-hand corner, there's like, you can see like all the different things I got. And I just got another speed, and it went up to 10 times 10. Because it will go off this. Anyhow, so, so basically, other tokens do other things. So, so I just have to do this quest. But I will, seeing as I'm up here, I will show you another code. It's in the red HQ, but it doesn't matter because you don't need to go to the red HQ for this. You can just enter it in yourself, right, by pressing this little cog thing. You can see enter codes. And then up here, it says, next to this massive thing, you can see the word roof. So, if you type in roof, it will give you, I've already done it so I can't quite remember, but it will give you some like extra boosts. So roof, I've already done it, which means it is good. So I'm just going to go back down here because I need to kill some scorpions. Now the better your bees, the more attack they'll do. So as you see, these scorpions are trying to hurt me right now, but they're not going to because my bees are too strong. Actually they are actually a lot. Okay, there we go. So if you want to, and you can also see like you have badges and more badges. Oh, almost. More badges, more badges, more badges. Yeah, so you could just get new badges, upgrade your badges, and Yeah, just like they give you tickets and you can spend them. So right now I have 107 tickets. Oh, there's a sprout. This is perfect because the sprouts, what they do is when they're destroyed, they give you when they've grown, they give you other stuff such as I don't know what, but they'll give you like maybe raw jellies, some honey, and once your bees get the mantis, then the mantis will disappear randomly, and after your bees get it, and then loot will drop on the ground, which will help you, and you can pick it up, and then same with the sprouts. But you don't have to destroy it for this. It's just like nice and quick because you have to destroy this plant, and then just your bees will help you. They'll collect up pollen as you go along, and then right now I'm trying to get some speed, and. And if you're wondering, please, yes, you should subscribe. It's a very good thing. It's a very good thing to do, and it will bring you 30 years of good luck. So if you're a kid watching this, when you're an adult, I bet you will own a mansion. And if you're a dad or a mum, make sure your children subscribe if you have any. Otherwise, you subscribe. Okay. Make sure you also leave a like because that's double the time of amount. That's double the amount of luck you're going to get for 60 years. Anyhow, we just finished the sprout, and my speed just ran out. Hey, that rhymes. But anyhow, yeah. So you can get like blueberries, treats, other stuff. More treats, more jellies, like I said. Oh, I just missed it. But yeah, blueberries, honey, like I said, everything that you need to survive. No, I'm joking. So then let's see what I got. So I didn't get any tickets, but I did get quite a lot of honey. I also got some treats, which is nice. Blueberries I got a lot of, and I did get one royal jelly. That's nice. But anyhow, I need to do this quest. But if you go here, if you go into the werewolf, you need about 5 speed because there's a spider that wants to get you, and it will eat you for its dinner. And if you go in there and you get 5 speed, then there's a golden egg in there. So like you got eggs. It should be in the tutorial, but eggs. Again, you can plant them in not plants, but in your hive. Then they'll turn into a bee, either an epic, a legendary, maybe a mythic. I'm not sure, but and then you got another bee. If you haven't already, if it's not a duplicate, then you got another bee. But otherwise, you can get these gifted bees, which I'll show you in a second, because Ben's got them when I go back to my hive. Yeah, but Ben has got some gifted bees. They have they're the exact same as normal bees, except they gift you some better. They do more attack to help you defeat the scorpions. Remember, rhino beetles and other stuff, and they help you to defeat. They help you to get more pollen, and they also, if you see someone walking around with lots of bees, they probably have a gifted bee. But if they don't, then you'll know now because you can see. So you can see because they'll have a star on them. So they're exactly the same, except they'll have a star on them. So I'll show you when Ben comes back to here. But anyhow, you probably won't. But so our backpack's almost full. Well, I say almost, but it's not that full. But anyhow, so yeah. Okay, so I have to defeat 1 more sorry. 5 more rhino beetles. I cannot count today. 5 more rhino beetles. So unlock the quest which I'm looking at right now. So yeah. Not like doing right now because I'm doing the top one right now, but this one here, discovered 10 types of bees, collect 60,000 pollen, collect 60,000 pollen, defeat 4 scorpions. I just need to defeat 4 rhino beetles, 5 rhino beetles, honey. Sorry if that scared you, but honey storms are basically people could spawn them. I bet it was Ben who spawned them, and then they just drop honey all over the place. They're really good to help you because they give you so much honey, like a lot. I bet Ben spawned it just to help people if they didn't know what a honey storm was. I can't summon a honey storm because you need 4 legendaries. I only have 2. Ben has about 6 or 7. I wouldn't say that. I would say about 8 or 9, maybe even 10. But as you can see, my backpack's almost full. But yeah, I have to try and do this quest. And it looks hard and it is hard for me. It's quite hard. For Ben, it's not too hard. And for people who have started, it's really hard. Yeah, you're looking at like back and forth, hive back, and you wouldn't even be able to get into this zone. So yeah. Yeah, so that's another way. And the next code is wax redeem. I've already redeemed the code wax, which means it is real. Again, I'm going to show you another secret. Yeah. So if you come over here. Them. But yeah, I just defeat these ones. Yeah, but basically, if you can't jump up here, which I can't, so a sprout has appeared, which is good. So you could just go around here, so full, then through here. Yep, very dark, and then you'll come out here, and bam, you can get it. Also, I don't know what's around here. Dead end, I think. Yeah, but basically, you could just come out here. Oh, and these are jelly bean shoots, whatever. I don't know what they're called, but they shoot out jelly beans, which are really good. They just like fire out jelly beans all over the place. Just like, they're really good. So you can also follow them, and not like on Twitter or anything, but you could just like so I'm going to empty out my backpack, and I'm going to get this sprout too, because yeah, they need help. Also, so does my backpack. Anyhow, there, make honey. So then I'll see you after all this honey is gone. Okay, yep, so we're back, and they still haven't done the quest. The sprout, surprisingly. $19, $18, $17. 16. I'm gonna pause it when the sprout has gone, people. Okay. It's on 1,000. Also, I just lost all my speed. And bam. Royal jelly. That's not mine. Just like, I need it. But yeah, pineapples are another thing you can get. So okay, yeah. But I'll show you the next. I'm not sure. Yeah, if you want to defeat the rhino beetle, the king. I don't know what it's called. yeah, I've already showed you it, but it's just another secret passage. So yep, this is it. So it's behind this flower, and another one just go through there, and yeah, you're into the thing. And then there's another one, I think is the song name, which is Connoisseur, that. Yeah, so Connoisseur, redeem it. Yep, I've already redeemed that code, which means you know that it's real. Okay, so Fed just covered here right now, so I'll show them another code and another secret passage
My
at the same time.
video's gone.
Your
So
video?
if you're watching Galaxies first,
Yeah.
don't expect my video to be a long one.
Okay, yeah.
It just shows a couple of
that's
secret
probably,
passages.
yeah, that's probably the end of my video. So I'll see you guys.
Wait.
Yeah.
Don't go yet. If you have a full backpack, then go to the ant place. And then use an ant pass, and then you get a free instant converter. It instantly converts it before.
Yep. Okay, so guys, we will make another video on this. Yeah. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed.
Mine will randomly turn off.
Goodbye. Yeah, Ben will randomly turn off. Goodbye.